Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In previous videos, I tried to show different tools and different components of GPS, GARMIN E-TREX 30X GPS, and as I promised in this video, I'll show the workability or applicability of setup tool of GARMIN E-TREX 30X GPS and how to set up for work with GPS. Okay, so if did not see my previous two videos about GPS components and different features or different tools of GPS, then please see those videos in the description box link and see this video up to the end for better understanding, and of course subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get notification from my channel any new videos. And let's start. You can see the setup tool in GARMIN E-TREX 30X GPS, and now you need to click on this setup, click, and here you can see system, price, display, tones, map, tracks, reset, page, sequence, units, time, position, format, heading, altimeter, geocaches, routing, marine, ANT sensor, profiles, and next is about. Okay, I'll show the workability, the applicability of each and every tools of setup tools in GARMIN E-TREX 30X. Now the first tool is called system. You need to click on system. You can see satellite system, demo mode was EGNOS on, language, you can change language, battery, alkaline battery, USB mode, etc. If you want to change the language, you need to click on language, English, Indonesia, etc. Okay, and now the tool called price. You can change in the area units, bigha, canal, marla, khela, square meter, square feet, acres, hectares, square kilometer, rai, nagan, and square. Different units are here. You can change, and you can give the area price, length units, length price, calculation method, different things. Okay, and now the display tools. In the setup tools, click on display, and backlight, timeout, battery save, colors, screen capture, off, on, etc. You can change the colors, auto, on day color scheme. You can click here, different types of colors options are here. Okay, and now the next tool of setup tool is called tones. You can change tone. Now the tone switch off, message, beep, key beep, turn warning, proximity alarms, etc. You can change. You can explore outside the room. I am inside the room. And now the next tool is called map tool. Okay, you can click on map, track of, guidance text, and data fields, advanced map setup, map information, select map, etc. You can now the next tool is called tracks. You can set up the tracks. Click on here, record, show on map, record method, distance, recording interval, auto archive when full, color, different things. Record method, distance, you can click here and see time, auto distance, or within a time interval. Okay, and another setup option is reset. You can reset timers, memory used, clear current track, clear track and trip data, reset both, reset all settings, delete recent finds, etc. And the next setup option is page sequence. You can click here, main menu, add page, etc. You can go to main menu. Okay, insert. I don't want to insert now. And the next setup option is units. You can change unit, distance and speed in metric, elevation, meter per second, vertical speed, depth in meters, temperature Celsius, pressure, hectopascals, etc. You can set this also. Now the another set of option is time. You can change time format, 24 hours time zone, Kathmandu, daylight, saving time, etc. you can change the time zone. Okay, there are so many options you can choose. Another setup option is position format. You can click here, position format, date, day, minute, degree, minute, second, etc. You can change this. Map datum you can change, maps period you can change, map datum WGS 84 you can change. Different options are here. Okay, and now the another setup option is heading. You can change directional letters as north reference true north, bearing, heading, compass, auto, calibrate compass, different things. And the next setup option is altimeter, or you can change this also: auto calibration, barometer mode, pressure trending, plot type, elevation, distance, calibrate altimeter, and different. uh, Now the another setup tool is geo caches. You can change this also. Okay, another tool is called routing. You can change also guidance method, off road, calculate routes for car, motorcycle, lock on road, off road transitions, avoidance setup. Another setup option is marine. You can click here, and marine chart mode appearance, marine alarm setup, etc. And another tool is called ANT sensor. You need to click here if you want heart rate monitor, bike cadence sensor, tempo sensor, etc. And another tools are uh, profiles and about. Those tools are not so much important, so I'm avoiding in this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Please comment me if you want, if you have any query or suggestions for me, and of course like this video, share among your friends, and please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. Thanks once again.